Okay, na? Good morning, all of you. In last class, I explained the distance and displacement. Is it okay? And again, I explained all sums also, all applications. Okay. Now, today I am going to explain speed and velocity. Speed and velocity. First, I will explain the speed. After that, again, velocity. Once again, what is meaning of distance and displacement? The distance meaning the actual path traveling by the body is known as a distance. Okay, means the minimum distance between the initial point to final point. Okay, be positive, maybe negative. Okay, so what about the units of distance and displacement? Both are same or different? Both are same. Okay, na? What about dimension formulas? Same. What is the value? So M0, L1, T0. That is the dimension formula. Okay, na? Okay, next. So what about main difference between the distance and displacement? So distance is a scalar quantity. So what about displacement? Vector quantity. Why this is scalar quantity? Why displacement is vector quantity? Since scalar quantity means the distance has no any specified direction. So any specified direction. So hence it is nothing but scalar quantity. So displacement means the minimum distance between the initial point to final point. So it is one special direction, one specific direction. So hence it is one vector quantity. Okay. I told so many applications. With the particle completes one rotation along the circular path. Okay. With the particle completes one rotation. So what about distance is equal to 2 pi r. So what about displacement is equal to 0. Clear? Suppose same particle completes two rotations along the circumference. So what is the distance is equal to how much? 2 into 2 pi r. Displacement is equal to how much here? 0. Okay. So maybe one rotation, maybe two rotations, maybe 10 rotations also. The displacement is equal to say 0. Okay, now I told you one example also. Which example? Suppose now your position is equal in the classroom. In the break time, we are going to canteen. Again come back to sitting same position. So what about distance is equal here? Double of the distance. So double of the value. Suppose here from here your position to canteen is equal to say maybe 1 kilometer. Just example. Again coming back to again same 1 kilometer. So what is the distance is equal to how much? 2 kilometers. But displacement is equal to how much? 0. Clear? Again next one. In the lunch time. Again we are going to hostel. Again coming back to here. Suppose hostel is equal to again 1 kilometer. Coming back, how much value here? So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 kilometers. So morning to evening means how much here? Again. So one time canteen, afternoon lunch time, and evening also. Okay, that is all distances. But the displacement is equal to say 0. Okay. Again next ones. Now I am going to explain the speed. One small example. Before I am going to start this one. I will explain one example. One person is going from our campus to our college to Balki. Okay, college to Balki. On foot. The on foot means without any vehicles, just simply walking. Okay, na? So what is the time taken is equal to how much? Time taken is equal to how much? So maybe time is equal to 1 hour or 1.5 hour. Suppose example 1 hour. 1 hour is equal to say maybe 90 minutes. So this is equal to again 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1.5 hour is equal to 90 minutes. Clear? So maybe example 1 hour. So 60 minutes. 1.5 hour is equal to maybe 90 minutes. Okay, 60 minutes. Okay. So the person is moving from our college to Balki. Okay, on foot. On foot means nothing but simply walking. So without any vehicles, okay. So again, it took the time is equal to 1 hour. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, okay. Like distance is equal to how much? This value is equal to say maybe 6 kilometers. Balki to our college to Balki, okay. Same second person on cycle, bicycle or on cycle, okay. Just imagine how much time is equal to half an hour. So half an hour is equal to 30 minutes. 30 minutes. The same distance. Okay, the same distance. Suppose one more person same. This college to Balki. Okay, na? Again, by bus or by one or two-wheeler. Okay, bus next to again two-wheeler. Two-wheeler means bike.